How to set up a Polygon wallet with MetaMask. In this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon and how you're going to be setting up your very own Polygon wallet with MetaMask in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Polygon's very own portal. So simply search up Polygon portal on your browsers and it's going to bring you straight over here. Now, Polygon, as we all know, is a brand new blockchain that has been introduced and it has a network on which you can go ahead and manage your crypto assets in the form of Paul or Matic. Okay. So it depends on you on whichever, asset you want to go with. It totally depends on whatever assets are going through with your transactions and whatsoever. So to, start off with actually managing it through your MetaMask wallet, what you're going to do is right here, it's going to tell you to connect your wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. And here it's going to say connect wallet. Now, to connect your MetaMask wallet, you're going to click on MetaMask. And once you click on MetaMask, it's going to bring you here. So it says connect with MetaMask. Select the accounts to use this on this site. So it's going to choose your MetaMask wallet. You're going to click on next. It's going to ask you a few permissions. So simply click on confirm. Once you do that, it connects you and it says allow this site to switch to this network. All right. So basically, what it is doing is it is switching from your Ethereum mainnet to your Polygon Llama nodes network. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on switch. And what that does is it says your Polygon journey starts here. So what has happened is you have set up your Polygon wallet with your MetaMask. Now, once you've connected both of those wallets, here you have your whole blockchain. So you can choose your chains like Ethereum, which is the most common one, obviously. You can go with the Polygon POS. Okay, and obviously to switch it, you're simply going to switch network again. Moreover, you can do the same with the ZK which is a separate Polygon variated blockchain. Obviously, this is not the most secure one, but you can still go ahead and approve it if you have problems on the original blockchain. Now, the best part about Polygon is the fact that it has no gas fees. Okay, so the Polygon network actually takes you through a whole bunch of adventures when it comes to your crypto transfers and your crypto belongings. Now, over here, you can see we have 0 Ethereum. You are low on gas fees. So basically, the gas fees is your crypto or your assets. So you can also go ahead and fill it up in any way you want. It could be on third-party ramps, could be refueling gas on bridge, or receive via QR code. So receiving via QR code is the most basic one because what you're simply going to do is you're going to generate a QR code for yourself, have people scan it, and that will directly take them to a payment portal through which they can add their funds to your Polygon portal. Moving over, you have refueling gas, where you can also create a bridge between Ethereum to Polygon. So let's say we have 1.4 Ethereum, right? Now 1.4 Ethereum would, transfer up to around, you could say, 12 to 15 polygons. Now that is a good amount for Ethereum and for Polygon, so you can switch it however you like. And it depends on you. You can also change your cryptocurrency that you want to convert it to. So you can use USDC, which is the USD coin, which is basically just the US dollar. And you can check it on the blockchain as well, USDC price. And it's going to tell you that it goes for almost $1. All right. Now, once we have checked that out, you can also do a lot more constructive things. Like once you are here in the assets section with your Polygon network portal, what you can do is you can move down here, scroll down, you can see these different chains, and you can actually go ahead, not only bridge them, but you can also mint them according to whatever you want. You can also manage different tokens for yourself. So we can add Chainlink tokens, Quick Swap, and a whole lot more. So it definitely depends on you on whichever blockchain or token you want to add to your Polygon portal. Now, the Polygon portal is definitely worth it. What it does is it's a second layer solution that runs on the Ethereum network to process your transactions faster, and it also aims to make it easier for applications built on Ethereum to go ahead and work with the other blockchain platforms. Now, the Matic token is a governance token. So basically, Polygon currently has the Pol token, okay? That is what it mainly operates on. So if you switch from Ethereum to Polygon POS, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to click on Switch Network. And once that is done, we are on the Polygon POS. Now over here, as you can see, it now shows 0 Pol. So as you can see, Pol is the current blockchain currency, okay? And it's a governance token, so owners can participate in the way Polygon is run. The coin also can be staked to earn interest and be used to pay your gas fees however you want. Then moving on, the management team on Polygon is pretty cool as well. So in the case that your assets get lost or there's some issue with the transactions, Polygon is there to help you, and that's the whole point of using Polygon. It's a crypto blockchain. Sometimes things go up and down when you're using it. So, in that case, we do need a good management team. Now, should you consider buying a Pol or a Polygon portal? Now, bear in mind that cryptocurrencies are volatile investments, so you need to be comfortable with dramatic price swings. It's advisable to only invest money you can afford to lose and to make sure you first top up your emergency savings and your retirement fund before investing in this, but it still is a good way to upgrade. Now, also over here, you can see it says upgrade Matic to Pol. So, in the case you have any former Matic tokens in your Polygon network, you can convert them to your Pol in the easiest way by simply switching it up. Now, also, one last thing that I'd like to mention is that Polygon also has its very own wallet address. Don't think that if you connected it with your MetaMask wallet, their addresses will be the same, because they are going to be totally different. MetaMask is going to have its own separate address, whereas your Polygon will have its separate address. So this is the MetaMask address. This is the Polygon address. So yeah, basically that's the main idea of how you are going to be going ahead and setting up a Polygon wallet with your MetaMask. Now that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.